very tragic life, very vivid art, a lot of color, a lot of stark realism, some fantasy, very personal for her. And she has obsessed me for the last 10 years, and I'm going to do a collection inspired by her. This is called Forbidden Love, because that is what her life was. And that's why there's every color, every fabric, every texture. So I will not talk about it because it's everything under the sun I have used together. So it's one of those collections where I just let go.
About all the color palettes that you use?
Every color. I cannot think of a single color I've left out in this one.
Palette is something about the Vani's outfit.
This is a Benares and woven brocade. And so I started. And I started working on this collection about 2 years ago. So all of this is happening from scratch, we design it on paper, and artwork is done by its woven. And of course she's looking absolutely stunning in this. And I think she will want to talk a little bit more.
Yes, Vani, can you tell us about your walk and the beautiful collection?
I don't think there's any girl my age or any age who would not want to dress up like this. I love that it's so wearable, it's so quirky, cool and fun. And the fact that it's been inspired by someone who's somebody who most of us look up to. I mean, Frida Kahlo is just an inspiration. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving dressing up like this. Usually you see me in monochromes, but this is it's a good change.
So what was share your thoughts, minutes before walking around?
My thoughts was, I hope I don't screw it up for her or for all the other models who are doing so well. And yeah, and just to have fun.
But you did very well.
Yes, certainly.
He's kind.
Tell us about, this look. Where would you want to sport something like this?
I mean, I can wear this to an event, I can wear it with friends, I can go out on a vacation and be, dressed up like this. It's, like I said, it's very wearable, very relatable. And yeah, I mean, you can don this, you can mix and match like how, with the jewelry and everything, with the tribal jewelry that's been added on. It has upped its style. But if you just want to be simple and more relaxed, you can just wear the dress.
Wanted to ask you about, Diwali is just round the corner. So what would be your Diwali look like? What do you have in your mind?
So usually people like dressing up in Indian or Diwali. So I also love dressing up in a pretty white kurti or something which is very soft and soft, nice Indian fabric, and then dress up in an Indian outfit.
And does this define your personal style? What you wear?
Something which is very fresh. It's, you don't see me in burst of colors every day. But when you're in the mood to try something and experiment, or you're in the mood to just be different for a change, this is something I would totally pick for myself.
I have to share something with you. Perrier is a French brand, so the best thing is normally you always find out who is the showstopper and are they available or not. But we have only one person in mind, and that's Vani Kapoor.
Also, I'd like to add her character. I know she's a monochrome person, as am I, by the way. But she's worn this for me today, and I'm very grateful.